In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in GoDaddy Domain Portfolio DNS. If you want emails sent to a custom address at your domain to automatically arrive in another inbox, GoDaddy's email forwarding feature makes that very simple. This is useful if you want a more professional looking email address for your website or business, but you'd still like to manage everything from the inbox you already use every day. To get started, log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. From there, select the domain you want to work with and go into its DNS settings. Once you're in the DNS area, look for the Forwarding tab. This section is where GoDaddy lets you create forwarding rules for both domains and email, so make sure you're working under the email forwarding area. Under email, click Add Forwarding. This opens the setup form where you'll enter the forwarding details. First, type in the custom prefix you want to use. For example, you might enter something like info, support, or contact. This prefix becomes the first part of your forwarded email address, followed by your domain name. So if you enter info, the full forwarding address would be something like info at your domain. Next, enter the destination inbox email address. This is the email account where you want all forwarded messages to arrive. Make sure you type this carefully because any mistakes here could cause emails to be sent to the wrong place or not delivered properly. It's also a good idea to use an inbox you already monitor regularly so you don't miss any messages that get forwarded from your domain. Once both fields are filled in, click Save. After saving, GoDaddy will apply the forwarding rule to your domain. In some cases, changes may begin working quickly, but depending on DNS processing, it can sometimes take a little time before forwarding works consistently everywhere. If it doesn't seem immediate, give it a bit of time and test again. A helpful final tip is to send a test email to your new custom address after setup is complete. That way you can confirm the forwarding is working exactly as expected and make sure messages are reaching the destination inbox successfully. And that's it. You've now set up email forwarding for your domain in GoDaddy using the DNS forwarding section.